Hi, this is Parker with Allen CPA, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make payments through the IRS website. This will work for taxes due, extension payments, estimated payments, and any other IRS tax-related payments like that. So first thing, we're just going to go to Google and Google IRS tax payment. That will bring you to this right here, and you can click on this www.irs.gov payments. This is the link that you want. Once you are here, you can either do direct pay through your bank or you can pay through a debit or credit card. I would recommend doing the direct pay as there is normally a fee when you pay with your debit or credit card. Next, we will click right here where it says make a payment. We will then select a reason for making the payment. This is where you have all of your different reasons. If you are paying the balance due on your tax return, you can do balance due. If you're making payments due on an amended return, you can click on amended return. If it was earlier in the year and you were making an extension payment, there would be a place to click extension payment as well. Now I'm going to click on estimated tax payment. It will run you through the exact same process if you click on any of them, but this is just the type of tax that I am paying. And this estimated tax payment is for anybody making quarterly estimated payments. Down here, we are of course paying for our 1040, and that's the only option it gives us. And then also has the year option. Of course, for estimated payments, we're doing 2021. Now, if you clicked balance due, you could pay a balance due for other years like 2020, 2019, etc. But for this example, we are doing estimated payments for 2021. We will then click on continue, make sure that this looks correct, and then we will do continue again. So next up, we're going to have to do the tax year verification. Now I have submitted my 2020 tax return, so that is what we will do. You will have to verify for the most recent year that you have submitted a tax return, so that could be 2019. Next, you got to fill out all these, and all these have to exactly match what is on your tax return for the year that you selected. So I will say single. I will put in my first name, my last name, confirm last name, social security number, confirm your social security number, of course, date of birth. Again, this needs to be the street address exactly as it is on the tax return year that you're using. Then have to click this little checkbox down here saying that you accept the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act. And then we will click continue. So if you had input anything wrong on that screen, or if it did not match up with what the tax return says, it will not let you to this point. Now here we will make our payment. In this case, I'm going to pay $500. Just leave payment date alone. Then we will put in our routing number and account number. These, of course, can be found on a spare check that you have. We then have to confirm the account number. You do not have to do an email confirmation, but I would recommend doing it just so you have an extra record should you need it. So I will click that checkbox and then I'll put in my email, then click continue again. You then have to click on this I agree. Then to sign this, you have to re-type in your name and retype in your social security. And then down here, you have to click I accept to the debit authorization agreement. Just click the little box, and then from there you can just hit submit. And then it will bring you to this screen, just giving you a confirmation. I would then recommend printing this and just putting it with all your tax data. If this is an estimated or an extension payment, we will need this info when we go to file your tax return for the next upcoming year. You could put it to a printer. I'm going to save it as a PDF. It will then ask me where I want to put it. I'm going to call this a 2021 1040 ES. And then I'm going to put today's date and click save. And that is it. That is all you need to know when making a payment to the IRS website. If you have any questions, please send us an email or give us a call, and we would be happy to help walk you through any of this process. Thank you so much for watching and hope this helps. You have a great rest of your day. Thank you.